Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to download the Photoleap app. Photoleap is a great photo editing tool that lets you create amazing visuals with advanced features right from your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Photoleap and tap the search icon. Now, you can see the Photoleap photo editor/AI art in the search results. Tap on it. Finally, tap Install to download the app to your phone. If you want to know more about this app, you can read it from its description. And that's how you can download the Photoleap app in your device. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.